Arizona has such a fascinating landscape. Several years ago, the company I worked for at the time honored me with an award, and they paid for a trip to Tucson for me to pick it up. While there, they had all kinds of adventures we could go on, and one of them was to ride through the desert. This desert has such a beautiful landscape, and I was surprised at how many different kinds of plants they have there. It was very dry, of course it's a desert. It was very hot, but it was still very beautiful. Then we got to visit the infamous city of Tombstone. It was interesting to walk around Boot Hill and see all of the different things that were written on the tombstones. Although some of these graves are marked and known, many of them are not. When we got to the city of Tombstone, we started our tour at the birdcage. From what I understand, when the birdcage was opened in 1881, it was opened as a family establishment where families could come enjoy family entertainment. The community was made up of a rougher crowd, so the entertainment at the birdcage had to change to appeal to those customers, and it became much more promiscuous. It is dark and it is musty. I was surprised at how small this room is. And as you look up here at the top where the theater booths were, you just expect some apparition to appear up there at any time. In one area they had this hearse. I took a photo, and when I got back and started looking at it on my computer, I could see these two dots there, kind of like apparitions where faces might be if you were a driver and somebody sitting beside him. So that kind of freaked me out. Other than the main theater, they had several other rooms you could go through and look at. Many of them were the brothel rooms. But it was very interesting, and so we got to eat. We ate at the place, and we got to walk down the streets of Tombstone, which was very interesting. Lots of fun. So these are some of my memories of this trip. If you do get a chance to go to Tucson or Arizona or Tombstone, they're great places to go. I really enjoyed them. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and make sure you watch my videos next time. See you then.